ekwube mbọ onye ọkaiwu ya bụ Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor na-agba n'ijifụ na ụmụ Igbo eji n'ụzọ na-ezighị ezi na-agbapụtara ha ọkarịrị akarị, ọkachasị mbọ ọ na-agba ịfụ na ụmụ Igbo ndị na-achọ iwere onwe ha, ọkachasị ndị otu Ipob na ndị ọzọ dị iche iche eji n'ụzọ na-ezighị ezi na-ata afụfụ n'ụzọ na-ezighị ezi na-agbapụtara ha. Anyị kwube ihe Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor na-eme nakwa ka o si eje na-afụ na ndị a niile na-agbapụtara ha ọkarịrị akarị. Ofu n'ime ya ka o mere na nso nso a, nke ọ ga-ejikwa ọnụ ya wee kọwaa ka o si aga nakwa ka o si mee ya. Ngwa kirienu ma geenu ihe nwafọ Igbo akara aka, onye ọkaiwu kara aka, onye ọkaiwu pụrụ ya bụ Barrister Ifeanyi Ejiofor mbọ ọ gbara na nso nso a na-ejifọ na ụmụ Igbo ọkachasị ụmụ Biafra eji n'ụzọ na-ezighị ezi na na-agbapụta ha. Nakwanụ nke o mere na nso nso a, kilie ya ma gee ya.
Well, it was indeed a tough day. We, as you can see, we made an effort to move our application challenging the power of the court to proceed with hearing. But citing 11 laws and extant rules, regulations of the constitutional provisions allows us to get our application, which the court said wasn't supposed to hear. So, and adjourn it to so further time. They brought a witness who came in to give what I know is the first evidence, first witness. So, and an effort to attempt to tender documents which were suspected were written by them, and compare one of our defendants to sign at the point where he was then. We objected to the admission of those documents, which are statements recorded on 11th of July, 12th, 13th, 16th, 20th, and 25th. So during the period he was being incarcerated, so we objected to the admission of those documents. And in accordance with the law and practice, we have to order what they call trial within trial. So that proceedings and procedure is to test the voluntariness or otherwise of the statement obtained from him. And once it is found in our favor that those statements were obtained under duress, under any form of compulsion, then the court will not admit them in evidence. So the federal will have the only witnesses there, and which we cross-examine him. And then tomorrow we are most likely going to field three witnesses that will give evidence on account of what they suffered, what they passed through in 8 years of custody, and how they were tortured to give those statements. Because we are fully aware and informed by them, by people, that they were forced, compelled to give those statements, and most of them were written by the SS officials, and they were forced to sign them. So, and in the act of the law, it cannot enter, cannot fly in. So, we are going to put them together tomorrow to give those evidence. And it will be an interesting proceeding because Chizzy is going to give evidence tomorrow and 2 other persons among them. So I will urge you to be in court in good time and watch the proceeding, and also hear from them, from the horse's mouth in the court, what transpired between them and SSS at the point they were detained. Because they passed through horror, they passed through torture, they passed through some terrible gory experience while in the custody of the SS. We thank God they are free today, and I believe you, and I can assure you that in the end, the victory will be ours. Thank you so much.
Thank you.